Wow, that was dramatic.
Hey, watch out, you're gonna walk to the wall. Watch out.
You're funny.
Watch out.
You're funny.
Ready, set, and you go. No more waiting, no more no's. See the waves pass while you're sailing, but as you look back.
Get behind! What? Come on!
I'm kind of scared.
Look at me! Thank you. Look for you, buddy! Come on!
What even is that? It's like a marshmallow elephant. What the heck? You know, this reminds me of Vegas. It kind of looks like Vegas. Oh my god, look at this.
But as you face it, does it know you? Doesn't know.
This is the hallway. You ever seen The Shining? Kind of reminds me of The Shining hallway.
Can you give me the card?
Natives Dynasty Lounge, right? Is this the name of the lounge? Who knows? Come on in. This is kind of...
Welcome to Ghost Hunters.
No. Welcome to Jurassic Park. Oh. We don't want in here. We're too young to be in here.
You know, I can do my Mickey Mouse impression, which is spot on.
He mints a Mickey Mouse show. Tell him, Vane. Do your Mickey Mouse voice.
Hi, everybody. Dang.
Here we go. 1, 2, hands up, hands up, hands up. Here we go. Here we go. We gotta rock, rock, rock. Go, say easy, easy. Hey, hey, come on, go. Shot, body rock, back in your style. Top, 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 top. Up and down, over and fly. Every night. Yes, sir, come on.
I'm a little extra. I'm a diva. So I'm gonna do it like Beyonce.
Okay guys, so we're back at our room now. We just did like a full walk around of the entire ship. And I'm gonna give you a quick little room tour. In just a second here. Bathroom. Nothing much in here. I mean, it's your standard shower, toilet, everything you need to be a human being. Closet spaces here. And vanity right behind me. And bed. Raphael doesn't come with it, unfortunately. Sorry, ladies. Oh, shit. And TV. And that's it. But yeah, we're kind of just chilling now. Let's see, what did we do? We did a spa tour. we entered a little raffle to try to win like up to $500 for the spa treatment. So hopefully we win that. If not, it's okay. We can get a massage another day. It's no big deal. We entered an auction to win a painting. You had to try and guess and see how much the painting was. I don't remember the artist, but it was this really cool painting of Disneyland. Thomas Kincaid. Apparently that's the artist. And then later we're going to dinner. And tomorrow is Catalina Island. So I might vlog a little bit more later during dinner. But until then, I'll see you in a bit. If not, I'll see you tomorrow in the Catalina Island vlog, which will be cruise vlog day 2. Alright? See you in a bit, guys.
Okay, so right out there, guys, Los Angeles.
So we're on Catalina Island right now. It's pretty crazy. I'm not sure what we're doing. We're just gonna kind of explore, take a look around and everything. I didn't expect it to be this pretty tonight. It looks like there's a lot of shops and restaurants and things, so we're just gonna go take a look. Oh my god, babe, look! They have a little like playground. Previously on Grey's Anatomy. Man falls overboard on Carnival Cruise. He's losing a lot of blood. What do? Do you A, code blue, B, blood transfusion, or C, BFID? Well, what do you do? Wrong. It's actually option D, feed him to the sharks. Sharks are important for the world.
Sharks are evil.
Without sharks, there'd be no Nemo. Okay guys, so we actually rented a golf cart and now we're just going around the island.
We're karting around.
Yeah, karting around.
Will we actually do golf? Probably not.
Why not? Although I could beat you at golf.
No, she can't.
I could. They have golf on the cruise ship.
I'd win. Only
Bet.
reason I lost last time was because of the wind.
Bet. I bet I could beat you. You want to bet money on it? 20 bucks?
I'm broke.
How about a quarter?
I'm still broke.
Why am I dating you then?
Because I'm awesome.
Oh, you're nuts. Anyways, we're gonna go now. We're gonna drive around a little bit more, go to the beach, get some lunch, and yeah, we'll be good to go. So we just finished having lunch there at the Blue Water Grill. Thank you. Pretty good. The fish and chips were really large, which is nice. Salmon was huge. Oysters were huge. Pretty good portion sizes. Catalina souvenir shopping.
We'll be right back.
This is pretty. You know, this pier reminds me of like small Santa Monica. Or Seattle, actually. More like Seattle.
For my San Diegans, more like PB.
Or PB, yeah. Scale of 1 to 10. How beautiful do you think this place is?
An 8.
An 8? I think it'd be really pretty to get married at. Or like have like a getaway. Like a small like ladies getaway. No, not you. I mean like just in general, because people have weddings here. They'll do it at the beach or like on the dock. I think it'd be pretty. But definitely come in the summer because it's too cold right now to do anything really. Because I'd like to go parasailing, but I don't want to freeze, you know?
Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy now. Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy.